In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a Locket widget on your Android or iOS. So it's very much simple and easy. After launching the app like this, just tap on your profile, top left corner of your screen. After tapping on that, you can see widget setup here. So you can tap on the add widget. After that, you follow some other procedure which I'm going to show you, or you can tap on the how to add widget here. It's going to give you the information on how to do this. You can read this, slide and read it. So now after tapping on add the widget, we come to our home here. All we need to do is we long press on Android. This is the procedure. We long press our home screen, and then you can see widget options here. We tap on that. Good. And you can see this Locket here. So you just tap on the Locket there, and you just tap and hold it, and you add it, something like that. Good. And that's it. How you add the Locket widget on your mobile phone. If you're on Android, if you're on iOS, the procedure is very much similar. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.